Okay guys, I thought I would go ahead and show you how you can use remote files on a Mac if you're using SAS University Edition. It's really very easy, and there's not much to it, but for some of you, if it's, I thought you might want just a little hint. Okay, so first of all, here's the 4 examples of code. Okay, and once you've started your virtual machine, of course, just go to the link that it gives you. Okay, and in here, as you launch the SAS Studio. Okay, now in this case, in this example, one of the important things you need to remember is that when you set up the virtual machine, you had instructions on where to set up a folder called My Folders. Now everybody's My Folders location is different. Okay, so mine is different from yours. I set mine up inside of what I call my Google Doc, my Google Drive, inside of a folder called Comp Programming. Inside of there is SAS University Edition, and inside of there, as you can tell here, is the My Folders. Now I'm just going to work on 2 files, so those are the only ones I have here right now, okay, which are Fiber1 and Fiber2. Okay. Any other files I want to work on, by the way, all I have to do is drop them in here. Okay, and so how does it work? Well, simple. Okay, let's first try our normal file. Okay, which is here's the Windows code. Okay, and so if you have Windows code, okay, and as you can tell, you try to run it, and you get a big fat error. You already know that. Yeah, you know it doesn't exist. Duh. You know, so we know it doesn't exist. What do? Okay, well, here's the other code, and here's what I want you to notice the difference, okay, is if you notice, okay, in this case, in this second case, the location, okay, everything else behind this is different. This, just name it like that, and that will point to this My Folders, and then whatever's in here. So if you also created a new folder in here, like this SA user, this is created by the system, by the way. If you created a folder in here called, like, let's just say I created a folder here called Boo, and then I wanted to stick one of the files in there, I would add that to here. As a matter of fact, I'll do that for the next example. But this one, let's just test it like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and highlight this. Okay, let's hit run. As you can tell, everything works. Wonderful. Okay, let's go ahead and try with example 2. Okay. Once again, of course, you know. I'm not going to run this one because you already know it's going to give us an error if we do that. Okay. So instead, I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to do it in that second way that I explained. Okay. And that is that in here, okay, I'm going to put move Fiber2 into the Boo folder. Okay. So let me go back up the hierarchy so you can see. As you can see, it's in My Folders, then Boo. Okay, so what do I do here? And also notice, look at the slashes. They're in different directions, okay? You should know this if you're using a Mac operating system. So your slashes in Unix type systems are going to be in a different direction. So, there we go. Notice all we did was we added that extra folder. We go ahead and run it. Ah! It doesn't work. Okay, well, let's go and see what happened. Okay. Ah, do you notice the mistake I made? Duh. I put the wrong file in there. Well, you know, it goes to show you just how dumb I can be sometimes. Anyway, let's see if it runs now. Running, running, running. And there we go. So, anyways, guys, as long as you can tell, if I can figure this stuff out, you can too. So, if you got any questions, let me know. But hopefully that helped out. Okay, guys, take care.